For this video, let's super briefly get the data. So load the data as a comment, and then what we do here, so we need to import it. So pd and then dot read underscore CSV, and here you go. And I see here that when I did import pandas, I should have also included SPD in order to have this shortcut. And I actually noticed that because when I was writing here, there was like this error, which was saying, hey, actually PD is not defined. So this is something that we need to define now. And let me do Control Enter here. And here you go. And then what is the name of our data? So if I go here to the folder, it is NYC underscore data. So this is the one that we need to include. NYC, and then inside single quotes, NYC underscore data dot CSV. Let's do Control Enter. And here we have, this is our data. And one thing that we should do when it comes to time series data is that the date variable here, it goes into the index. So what we do is just index call, and usually the date is actually in the first column, so we can just include here a 0. So let's do Control Enter and see what happens. And here we have it. There is a second step, which is that usually the date is in a very specific format. And the typical one, and let me actually write it here as a comment, would be year, and then hyphen month, and then hyphen day, which is not the case, because here we start with month, then we have day, and then we have year, and then we have slashes. And one simple command to take care of all of this is parse dates equals to true. Here we go, Control Enter. And here we have it. So we have the date in the index with the format that we want. Now what we need to do is store it somewhere in an object called data frame. And then, because this is actually quite big, let's do data frame.head, so that we always have here like a snippet where we can refer and have a look at the data and the variable names that we have. And this is actually it. Until the next video, have fun.